Hey everybody, hi. anyway, after last night, you watched that thunderstorm. Remember that big, huge lightning strike? Well, look outside. Yep, you can see it out there. It was big. Now, excuse me, I'm gonna put the camera down here for a second. You're hearing nothing. Anyways, yeah, this is what happens. Man, I guess that lightning strike was just right behind my house. I guess that thing just struck the backyard. Otherwise, it could be your next door neighbor getting those trees down. I don't know though. That lightning strike last night was big. Okay, it was big. You know how much I had to pay for dry cleaning? It was very unpleasant. Yep, well, that's what happens sometimes. Just gotta wait. There you go. Sorry. Yep. Sorry. Jeez. Yeah, look at it out there. It looks like It looks like that lightning strike just hit that tree. So it really didn't. It really wasn't far at all. It was just right behind. I guess it was right behind my backyard. If you know what I'm saying. Okay, I think I better get out of here. Jeez. Who knows what's gonna happen? Yep. Okay, I'm out of here. Seriously though, it could be your next door neighbor is doing that trade thing. Well, who knows what it could be? That sounds creepy. Yeah, I know. Yep. Well, after what happened last night, I think it could have been that, or it could have been something else. So, yeah. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. There might be more thunderstorms after that. I mean, look at the clouds out there. I hope that's not gonna. There's not gonna be any more big lightning strikes after last night. Yeah, well, who knows? Alright, goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.